like this at the end. It's been slamming a lot.
Oh no, she lets him get, yeah, she lets him get screwed up, that's for sure. Anyhow, the reason I was calling you though, oh yeah, yeah, you know how the shit goes. I visited involved with
fucking around, man. Well or wrong? Well. Nobody told me. So you got to talk. Yeah.
Je pense que ça va bien se passer.
You got to tell them. So I got to find out about that. Because that one should have been another big one, man. He was in there 4 days. My wife was stayed there 4 days. Yes, have to. Well, that's what they're. I mean, I look at it this way. Common sense tells you don't leave a fucking. Just stand. I'll sit there. Where's the audience? What's that? Glad you guys outweigh the audience. Oh well.
citation to accompany the award of the Meritorious Service Medal to Troy A. Hoff. Technical Sergeant Troy A. Hoff distinguished himself in the performance of outstanding service to the United States as Jet Engine Intermediate Maintenance Night Shift Supervisor, Production Supervisor, and Superintendent, Jet Engine Test Cell and Hush House Nose Suppressor Facility, Propulsion Branch, 81st Component Repair Squadron, 81st Tactical Fighter Wing, Royal Air Force, Bentwaters, England, from 5 August 1989 to 30 April 1993. In these important assignments, Sergeant Hoff's leadership and professionalism substantially enhanced the 81st Tactical Fighter Wing's propulsion maintenance effort. In his shift supervisor role, Sergeant Hoff led the establishment of a preliminary test cell inspection program that reduced the time needed to accomplish engine final inspections by more than 35%. He was one of the key supervisors in a shop chosen to serve as Queen.
Yeah. All right, bro. Come on up.
Don't give him the card. Don't give. You know, that's all you're gonna get.
Oh,
Did he give you an aircraft number?
No.
What the hell?
He's gonna hang on.
A bird strike.
We don't belong. We call it.
And they're saying that there's no spinners on base. So we're gonna have to can it on 5.
Two families. You know. 17-year-old get $10, he look at you like, come on now, you know, but something all the time. I go to hand him money, you know, and he just looks at me like, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, gifts are something you have to be careful of.
But her parents, like I say, she used to.
Okay. So they wanted to tighten one up and add a boy up and then send it through out, you know.
Was Gakey, let's see if we can get in touch with Gakey or Stock. Gakey's already gone?
Yeah, he's got a house and everything up there. In Newmarket, even has sister there.
Who else was down there inactive?
Last night, he's on the bench for the Derby Transfer Bank to the City of Main Road. Brogdon's not played a league game for 3 months.
Motherfucker could have got that white car over there.
So you're going to be at Lake and Heath Monday, right?
Yeah.
Well, you know Tuesday morning I won't be in because I got pre-movers or whatever. They're going to come and see how many boxes they need.
Returning from a 6-month layoff.
You over there? Yeah. Well, you can come over and smell this one, man.
Look at that pollen all in there, man.